And now for the part of the video that doesn't suck. Right.
Hey, no, my turn. I need to put my feet totally underneath it. Daniel, what's this? What's that?
It's everybody's toy but his.
Yeah? Excuse me, brother. Excuse me.
Jacob, can you pick up the... Jacob, can you get that plastic paper or the brown paper and put it on the couch? Put it on the couch. And don't swing it like that, or I'll swing you like that. And take Mom's coffee off the ground, please.
I will get
Because he's going to knock it over.
I after it right now.
Thanks, Bob.
Yes! Ow! You just ran my toe over. Here we go, Daniel. Ready? Here you go.
This starting.
Stop with that. I'm not going to have you open a puzzle and get shit everywhere. Scissors. Yeah, it came out. So shit's not even a bad word. You can say it on TV now.
Jacob, stop. As soon as your brother gets interested in it, you go crazy. Can you please stop?
Jacob, for the love of God, let it alone.
Can you leave it alone?
Maybe it does do bubbles.
Don't think it does.
Well, we'll find out. Bubbles?
Oh, look at that. I found where the little gasoline goes.
Yeah. Jacob, don't.
Can you please stop?
It cut it. Mom, look, it cut it.
Oh, it did such a good job cutting the grass.
Yeah, did. Did cut.
Daniel, Jacob.
Jacob, I am trying to take a picture of Daniel with his toy that he is completely ignoring. So you should leave him alone.
I'm gonna play with my puzzle.
You aren't going to play with puzzles yet because there's so much junk all over the floor right now. Pick up all of these eggs. Pick up all of the stuff that you and Daniel made a mess out of, and then I'll let you play puzzle. Okay? Or play with your clock.
He's redneck lawn mowing. He's just running over whatever he can find.
Yeah. No touching that.